Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Xech DigiFold calculator. The front of the box has an image of the device itself. The branding Xech and the DigiFold branding is on top. And on the left hand side, we have a few of the salient features, which include paperless writing, 5.5-inch screen, imitate natural writing, precision stylus tip, stylus slot, foldable design, and erase button. The features also continue on the right hand side, and these include 12-digit calculator, soft silicone buttons, memory keys, large display, a grand total option, erase number, and 29 total keys. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. The back of the box has a couple more images of the calculator in use. We also have some cautionary information, basic stuff like not to put any sharp objects on the screen or expose it to high temperatures. We have some specifications over here. For example, the battery used in the calculator and on the e-writer is of the CR1120 type. The material used is ABS, silicon, and an LCD panel. The calculator display has a total of 12 digits and 29 keys. The e-writer system has a 5.5-inch display, and here we have the dimensions of the device in its open and closed state. In its closed state, the dimensions are 16 centimeters by 8 centimeters by 1.3 centimeters, and when it is opened up, it is 16 centimeters by 15.6 centimeters by 0.6 centimeters. Over here, we have the contents of the package, but we'll not be going through that since we will be unboxing the device anyways. Over here, we have some manufacturing information, and over here, we have the customer care information. On the bottom, we have the social media handles of the brand. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material. On one of the sides, we have some of the other products that are manufactured by the Xech brand. And on the other side, we have some information. The one on the left here, we have a barcode that basically lets you authenticate if your product is genuine or not. In the middle, we have some information regarding the warranty and how to activate it, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page first for all the relevant information regarding the warranty. Over here, we have an email address that helps you leave some feedback for the brand if you need to. Coming to the calculator itself, we can see that it has a pretty minimalistic design. There's some Xech branding on the front, and on the back on the stylus, there is a grainy matte kind of plastic finish running all across the device. And here we have the battery compartment for the calculator, and on the bottom we have the battery compartment for the electronic slate. You can open it up like this, and when you do shut it, it magnetically shuts, so it will not just open up without you intending it to. Once open, it reveals the calculator on the left hand side and the electronic slate on the right hand side. The buttons are nice and big on the calculator. It does have a bit of travel on each of the buttons. This is how you can start it, and basically it works as a normal calculator. The other side is the electronic slate. As I have mentioned earlier, we can use it to take notes using this stylus on the back. You can keep some calculations, or you can just doodle around over here if required. At the bottom, we have the erase button, and one click should erase everything that you have written on the electronic slate. So this was the unboxing of the Xech DigiFold calculator. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.